How to make people remember your store. The first step is to create a unique memory for your store. What's up, homie? I'm Tony from LCSIGN. Today we'll show you a magical signage product. Check it out. This is our new lightbox. The lightbox with unique designs can create a romantic atmosphere for your store. This is an ordinary light bulb that installed on the lightbox. You just need to plug it in the power and rotate the bulb to use. Very convenient and practical. Selected high quality materials, durable and beautiful in appearance. The surface is made of 5mm acrylic material with water ripple texture. The sides are made of 304 stainless steel frame and painted with galvanized sheet. LCSIGN also provides customization services, logo, name, or anything about your business. Painted directly on the product surface, and different sizes can also be customized to your actual needs. How to judge which type of signage right for your store and choose a suitable signage supplier. LCSIGN is a professional advertising manufacturer with nearly 14 years experiences. We'll provide you the best product solutions. We'll be your best choice. Contact us for more and follow LCSIGN.